If you are shy and you want to be a content creator, then this video is for you. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use people's video to make money online. I'll teach you where you will download your videos, where you will edit it and post it without copyright, without watermark. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's head over to the tutorial.
First thing to do is to go to TikTok or Instagram search bar and type in Quizmaster. You can use any video of your choice that has more engagement. Look at this account right now. It has 1 million views. These are videos you can actually use. All you have to do is to pick one that has a lot of engagement. So I picked this one. How American are you? If you want to download this, click on share and click on copy link. After that, go over to the browser and search for Snaptik. This is the app you use in downloading these videos without watermark. And if you are using Instagram videos, you download it with InstaSaver without watermark. Click on download and your video is downloaded to your file before going over to CapCut. On CapCut, click on add new project. Import the video you already downloaded. So to make this video yours, you can add your picture by the side by clicking overlay. But if you don't want to show your face, you can twist it by increasing the speed a little bit, adding animation. You can add any animation of your choice. You go to bright, increase the brightness, just edit it the way you want. Don't make the color to be too harsh. After that, add your text. Like I added interesting praise and place it on in front of the video. You can make the color to pop out so it can be noticeable. Just make a difference in the video that people will see, the YouTube will see anywhere you are pasting the video. So after that, drag and drag so that the text will cover up the video and your video is good to go. Download your video and post it wherever you like, whether YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere without watermark, and make a lot of cash. Bye.